Hello, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the strangest animals on Earth that you've probably never heard of before. Some of these creatures are beautiful, while others are just plain weird, but they all make for an interesting watch. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by some of the most unique creatures on the planet. Let's get started. Number 10. Pink Fairy Armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is one of the strangest animals on the planet. This small mammal is only found in central Argentina, and its habitat is largely unknown. Measuring just 3 to 5 inches in length, this creature is covered in a pink and armor-like shell. This unique feature helps to protect it from predators and a harsh environment. Despite its small size, the pink fairy armadillo is a surprisingly powerful digger, burrowing up to 18 feet underground in a single night. It feeds mainly on ants and termites, using its long claws to excavate their nests. Because it spends most of its time underground, the pink fairy armadillo is rarely seen by humans. In fact, it was not formally described by science until the early 20th century. Today, this curious creature remains one of the least understood animals on the planet. Number 9. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is a small, furry creature found in wooded areas of North America. It is easily recognizable by its strange nose, which is covered in 22 red and fleshy appendages. These fingers are extremely sensitive and help the mole to locate prey underground. The star-nosed mole is an excellent swimmer and can even dive underwater in search of food. It is also one of the few animals that can detect seismic waves, allowing it to detect approaching predators. Although it may look strange, the star-nosed mole is a highly skilled hunter that has adapted to its unique environment. Number 8. Raccoon dog. The raccoon dog, also known as the tanuki, is a canid native to East Asia. Despite its name, it is not closely related to either raccoons or dogs. Raccoon dogs are usually between 20 to 30 centimeters tall at the shoulder, with a body length of 50 to 60 centimeters. They have long coarse fur which is generally brown or gray in color, with a black mask around the eyes. Raccoon dogs are relatively long-lived for their size, with a lifespan of up to 10 years in the wild. In captivity, they have been known to live for up to 20 years. These interesting animals are not well known outside of East Asia, but they are an integral part of the ecosystem there. Raccoon dogs play an important role in controlling the populations of small rodents and other prey animals. They are also important in the dispersal of seeds and other plant material. Number 7. Galapagos batfish. The Galapagos batfish is a strange and unique animal. Found only in the waters around the Galapagos Islands, this fish is easily recognizable by its flat and disc-like body. Although it has a pair of small fins, the batfish is not a strong swimmer and often uses its fins to crawl along the seafloor. The batfish is also notable for its long and bulbous nose, which it uses to poke around in the sand in search of food. In addition to its unusual appearance, the batfish is also interesting because it has the ability to change color. When camouflaged against the seafloor, the batfish is a mottled brown color. However, when it feels threatened or wants to attract mates, the batfish can turn a bright red hue. The Galapagos batfish is a fascinating creature that is sure to delight any visitor to the islands. Number 6. Leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon is a strange and unusual creature that is native to the southern coast of Australia. These creatures are related to seahorses, and they get their name from their leaf-like fins and scales. Leafy sea dragons grow to be about 2 feet long, and they are a light brown or olive color with white spots. They have long snouts, and their eyes are located on the top of their heads. Leafy sea dragons live in the waters off the coast of Australia, and they feed on small crustaceans and fish. These creatures are gentle by nature and are not known to pose any danger to humans. Leafy sea dragons are fascinating creatures, and they are a popular subject of study for scientists all over the world. Before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe to the Top 10 crew for more informative and amazing videos. Number 5. Glaucus atlanticus. Glaucus atlanticus is a strange-looking animal that is found in the open ocean. Its eerie blue coloration is the result of countershading, The animal's back is dark blue, while its belly is a pale blue. This helps to camouflage the animal from predators and prey alike. The animal's diet consists mostly of small invertebrates, but it will also eat other small animals, such as fish and squid. What is truly remarkable about Glaucus atlanticus, however, is its ability to store air in its stomach. This allows the animal to float on the surface of the water, where it can take advantage of the sunlight for warmth and energy. As a result, this strange creature has earned a place among the most fascinating animals on Earth. Number 4. Honduran white bat. The Honduran white bat is a unique and interesting creature that is found in Central America. These bats are relatively small, with a wingspan of only about 6 inches. They are also unusual in that they are almost entirely white, with only a few dark hairs on their backs. While most bats are nocturnal, Honduran white bats are active during the day, often roosting in trees. These bats feed primarily on insects, and their diet helps to keep local mosquito populations under control. In addition to their strange appearance and interesting behavioral traits, Honduran white bats play an important role in their ecosystem, making them a fascinating and valuable species. Number 3. Amazonian royal flycatcher. The Amazonian royal flycatcher is a striking bird found in the rainforests of South America. Measuring up to 18 centimeters in length, it is one of the largest members of the tyrant flycatcher family. The plumage of the male is a bright orange-red, with a black mask and tail. The female is similar in size, but her plumage is a duller olive green. Both sexes have a long crest, which they often hold erect. When alarmed or excited, the Amazonian royal flycatcher will emit a loud, harsh cry. These birds are most often seen in pairs or small groups, flying high above the rainforest canopy in search of insects. While their diet consists mostly of flying insects, they will also eat fruit and small vertebrates. The Amazonian royal flycatcher nests in tree cavities and typically lays 2 to 3 eggs per clutch. Number 2. Pangolin. Pangolins are unique animals that are found in tropical forests throughout Africa and Asia. They are the only mammal with scaly skin, and they are covered in overlapping plates of keratin. Pangolins are very shy and reclusive, and they are most active at night. They spend most of their time curled up in a ball, with their head and tail tucked in close. When they feel threatened, they will quickly curl up into a tight ball, making it difficult for predators to get a hold of them. Pangolins are also able to spray a foul-smelling substance from their anal glands as a form of self-defense. Although they may look strange, pangolins play an important role in their ecosystem by eating ants and termites. They help to control the population of these insects, preventing them from damaging trees and crops. As a result, pangolins provide an important service to the environment, and their unique appearance makes them one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. Number 1. Axolotl. The axolotl is a strange and fascinating animal. Resembling a cross between a salamander and a lizard, it is easily distinguished by its long fringe-like gills. While most amphibians travel from water to land at some point in their life cycle, the axolotl remains permanently aquatic. It can reach up to 18 inches in length, and its diet consists primarily of small fish and crustaceans. One of the most striking features of the axolotl is its ability to regenerate lost body parts. If an arm or leg is lost, the axolotl will simply regrow the appendage within a matter of weeks. In some cases, it can even regenerate its spinal cord. The axolotl is truly a wondrous creature, and one that deserves our attention and admiration. That's all for today. Which one of these animals does you find strangest and see the first time? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Top 10 crew for more informative and amazing videos.